Alright, a little noisy. I got the blower heater on here, but we're water sanding the firewall now. I'm going to get it real good and slick, so I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to buff the top of the dash and buff this firewall. Now you can see where I've polished the firewall right here. All slick and span there. So firewall is now been buffed. So she looks real nice and shiny. Don't have to be too pretty. I still got to put mounting brackets, drill holes for the heater core, air conditioner and all that. But now this part's done, so we can get this right here ready to go back down on the frame. Just got to get that exhaust system. Okay, now I got the frame to it, the chassis in here. Got the engine we fully assembled, balanced, blueprinted 454. Got the American powertrain. This is the 6-speed manual transmission. Before we set the body down on here, I'm going to check all the brake lines, fuel lines that's running up. I got to take off a few things where the Muncie 4-speed was. Well, it wasn't a Muncie, it was a Borg Warner 4-speed. Got some brand new full exhaust system here that goes in the rear. Full kit, got the hooker headers there. So we're going to put the headers on. I got to lift this engine up a little bit. Down here at the bottom, we're having some issues with the deeper pan contacting right there on the cross member. So we're going to do some modifying right here and raise these right here up. So get this engine up a little bit higher, have a little bit better clearance for our exhaust or our headers. And we're going to run the entire tailpipes out. So we've got that done. Then we can get our bushings on, get the body down on here, and then we'll start plumbing the brakes and get the fuel tank put in. Got to get some straps for that. And once that's done, we'll get the brakes plumbed in, get the fuel system in, get the clutch system, hydraulic clutch system all hooked in to the master, and should be ready to rock and roll. We're getting this thing test fired. A few little things, wiring, distributor, and all the electronics, starter, stuff like that. But we're rocking and rolling on this 69 Chevelle. Okay, we've got the hooker headers on there. They fit really, really nice. I did have to spacer about 1/4 of an inch on both sides. The engine mount, where we were having some contact issues, we don't have any issues anymore. The headers on both sides got plenty of clearance. It is close right here, but where's it at? It is close right there, but it is not touching. It's just the way the camera's angled. Go to this side. It is close there, but you can see it's not touching. We're about to put the exhaust system in. This is a full Flowmaster exhaust system. It comes with 2 different types of tips. You can either go straight tips or the turn down. But it comes with everything to run straight to the headers. So we're about to get these installed. Me and the wife, we in here knocking this out so we can get the body on. Mocking up the Flowmaster exhaust system.